Sharply up the middle and a base hit. Base hit, right field. Here. A hitter that he's never faced before. Perfect pitch.
Education when you're starting to learn a guy.
Nope. Two and two. Little dribble, five. 2 and 2. Got him. Slowly hit, and they get the out at second. Bohm at third, and that'll end the inning.
Yeah, it's gonna be big crowds all week.
I would imagine this is at least 35. On the ground, foul. Wide to Jung-Woo Lee. Dodgers tonight in Milwaukee.
What was the final in that game?
9-1. Jung-Woo Lee's got a hit. 1 and 2. When you Bohm side. Oh, that hit something.
It absolutely hit something.
So this will get the job done. Oh. So that's how this game is tied.
For Casey Schmidt by Pat Burrell and the Giants hitting instructors.
Could be 2. No.
Oh, he broke that glove in. He's a player.
We're going to get him the ball.
Yeah, it's got to happen.
Late.
2 types of fastballs, 4-seam, 2-seam, and a slider.
Look out.
Got him.
And a base hit to right field. Adames to third.
And given the extra shot.
Chopper. That's 1, and that's it. Run comes in.
So they get the go-ahead run. Now it's time to add on.
Here's Jung-Woo Lee. It's 98. Again, get the ball to play. Out of play.
Great speed at third with Chapman.
Hit on the ground. Harper's going to come home. No play. Chapman scores.
And with one out, he's going on contact. And once Harper got put down to a knee, it was going to become an awkward throw. He goes down on a knee to catch the ball, and really it was a wide throw. There was no opportunity for Real Muto to make something out of nothing. And it winds up being a nice two-strike. Put the ball in play at bat for Jung-Hoo Lee.
Yeah, and it helps that you got Chapman, who is really good base runner. One, two, ball game. I saw that coming.
Just another laugher for